Welcome students to the topic of circles. So the first concept that we're going to look in circles is the standard equation of a circle. All of you know what a circle is. But if you have to define a circle, what is the definition of a circle? A circle can be thought of as a locus of points, which is at a constant distance from a given point. The locus of point which is at a constant distance from a given point. So such locus which satisfies this condition is called a circle. That means you have a given point. Let us call this given point as C. Now the locus of a point which is at some constant distance from this point. Let us say that the distance be denoted by R. Now what is the locus of points? What is the path of the point such that the point is always at a distance of R units from this given point C. So whatever locus you get is called a circle, and this given point, so this given point is called the center of the circle, and this given distance is called the radius of the circle. So these are the two important terms that you need to keep in mind in circles: the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. Now if you want to find the equation of a circle in Cartesian coordinate system, so how do we find the equation? We can find the equation from this definition. So let us see how to derive the standard equation of a circle. So now let us try to find the equation of a circle in Cartesian system in the xy plane. So let us say that you're asked to find the equation of a circle whose center is a point x1 y1 which is given and which has a radius of r. R is given and the center is given. You're asked to find the equation of the circle. Again, remember what the meaning of equation is. An equation is nothing but an algebraic condition which each and every point on this locus satisfies. So let p x comma y be a general point on the circle. Now if this p x comma y is a general point on the circle, what should be the condition that p has to satisfy? So the condition that p has to satisfy is PC have to be equal to R, right? The distance of P from C has to be equal to R. This implies PC square is equal to R square. And what is the mathematical expression for PC square? It's nothing but distance square. It's nothing but x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to R square. So this is the standard equation of a circle, and in this form the center x1 y1 is clearly visible and the radius r is clearly visible. For example, if you want a circle with center 2, 3 and radius is equal to 5 units, so what is the equation of a circle with center 2, 3 and radius 5 units? Is nothing but x minus 2 whole square, x minus x1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square is 5 square. So I hope you understand how to find the equation of a circle whose center and the radius is given. So if the center is minus 2 minus 3 and radius is equal to 2, what is the corresponding equation? X minus of minus 2. So you have x plus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3. That is y plus 3 whole square is equal to r square is 4. So this is called the standard equation of a circle. And if you are given the standard equation of circle, you can very easily find the center and radius of the circle. So you just need to compare this equation with this and you get x1, y1 which is the center and r which is the radius. So now there is a special case in this equation. The special case is that what is the equation, how does the equation look like if the circle is centered about origin. So if you have a circle which has origin as the center, so how does the equation of this look like? So if origin is the center, x1, y1 both are 0, 0. So the equation looks like x square plus y square is equal to r square directly. So if the center of the circle is origin, the equation looks simple. The direct equation is x square plus y square is equal to r square. For example, if you want a unit circle centered about origin, the equation is x square plus y square is equal to 1. The radius is equal to 1. For example, x square plus y square is equal to 9. What is the nature of this circle? The center is at origin and the radius is 3 units. So I hope you have understood what the standard equation of circle is, how to find the equation of a circle if center and radius are given, what is the simplification that you get if the center is origin. So you should know how to work in 2 directions. That is, if center and radius are given, you need to know how to find the equation. You also should know how to find center and radius if the equation is given. And the same with respect to the circle with origin as center also.